Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. This video really is a Halloween haul. Now you would have heard it if you watched Monday's video. You'll know that I'm ready. I'm ready for autumn. I'm ready for Halloween. So what I did about a week and a half ago, I decided to get ready, have a look online, see what's out there, see what I can get, what silicone molds I can get ready for a Halloween season of fun. Now I have to say a massive shout out to my patrons. This video really and truly is happening because of them. Their money each month goes towards me and continuing doing what I absolutely love, and they know how much I appreciate them. They've already seen everything that I purchased with their money this month, and everything that you're going to see in this video is fully funded by my patrons. I got onto Amazon, got me some Halloween molds, and I'm going to share them with you because if you see my videos when they come up, then there's a chance here that you might already have the mold if I show you them now. Yes, let's go. I'm so excited. I did also get some silicone cups as well as silicone molds because you can never have too many cups, so thank you patrons. Now all of these molds I found by typing into Amazon Halloween molds. Okay, you could then go and type in skull molds, cauldron molds, anything specific, but most of these came up under Halloween molds. The first molds, it was a 2-pack, which is quite handy when you always get 2 in a pack. The insides are shiny, which means anything resin will give you a shine, and these are skulls. Now these are probably chocolate or ice cube trays, but won't be using them for that. Absolutely love these. Possibilities are already flying around in my head. Second mold up is a coaster set with a coaster holder. Now you only get 2 coaster trays with this one, but they're really cute designs of that kind of sun and star, very much, what do you call it, sundials. They remind me of sundials, and the holder itself is also embossed, but I can't seem to show you in the light. I was trying to find a way to actually show you that the holder itself is beautifully embossed with this kind of witchy pagan pattern, which I really love. But yeah, super looking forward to these. I've never seen molds with tabs on the side. Like, I guess that's to help you kind of shimmy and shake or just move out of the way. Next mold up, I think this is mold number 3. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This is a sugar skull box, a whole entire box, like a trinket box, jewellery box, whatever you want to call it, box. It's a lot bigger than I was expecting. Now, of course, you do read dimensions. Well, who does really? You read dimensions, but then you can't really picture it. So this was a lot bigger in real life than I was expecting it to be. But yeah, really love it. The lid itself is an embossed, engraved kind of sugar skull, and the base is the base. I don't know at this point how they're going to go together. I don't know if the lid is going to clip on or sit on, or if you kind of really do need to add some miniature hinges, because that would be so cute. Okay, next mold up. If you've been with me a couple of years, 2-3 years ago, I did a lot of coffins, a lot of resin coffins on my channel at Halloween. This is a little bit different. So this coffin box is another trinket box, but this is a lot shallower, a lot smaller and a lot shallower than the standard coffin mold, where you get the base box and you get a lid. This one is one base box and it comes with 4 different lids, which I thought was super cute. 2 are quite simple, like this one here with the star and moon and sun design. Love that. This design always reminds me of sweets. Always food. This one here is super cute as well. It's like a haunted house stroke haunted church with pumpkins hanging out of a tree. These are all embossed designs that you can then go and decorate afterwards. Third lid is another haunted house design with like a cat kind of standing on a branch. And then the 4th lid, similar to the first, it's got this eye, this kind of like Illuminati style eye, the all-seeing eye or whatever it's called. But yeah, I really love the idea of this because then you've got one box and you can choose your lid to go with it. Now, last but definitely not least, we have this jewellery set. Now, I don't really do much jewellery. If I'm honest, you won't see much jewellery on my channel. It's usually a really simple pendant or a keychain or a fridge magnet. But little delicate things like this, not really seen much on my channel. I thought it was cute, but I'll be honest, I only bought this mold for the second part. This first part here, I can't see me actually getting much use of. I might try it, but this one here is so cute because these are huge. Okay, now of course I could make earrings out of these with all of the earring pieces that is sent in the mold as well, but these are so big. These really would work as keyring extras or just extras in general, like bag tags and things like that for Halloween, or even pendants. I'm more of a pendant girl than a big dangly earring girl. But yeah, the skeleton section probably won't get much use out of. But yeah, there they are, all of my molds. I did order another set of Sugar Skull coasters, but for whatever reason, the order was cancelled by Amazon and they did not arrive. I hope you've enjoyed this. Everything I have got here, I will link down below in my Amazon storefront if you do want to check them out. I do plan on getting more as well. So thanks again, patrons. I really appreciate you all. Bye.